I am in this video. I am going to show you how to add a sticker to WhatsApp. First of all, we want to open the Photos folder. For this, click on Photos. After clicking on Photos, the Photos folder would be open in front of you. Once it's open, we just want to scroll up or scroll down to find any photo. So, I am finding someone, and I am clicking on this photo. After clicking on the photo to make the sticker of that photo, just long press on the person, and then you will see a small format that will appear, and 3 options are available right here. The first one is copy, the second one is add sticker, and the third one is share. But we will just click on copy. After tapping on copy, close this app. After closing the app, now I am finding WhatsApp. So, after finding WhatsApp, click on WhatsApp. WhatsApp will open in front of you. Once WhatsApp is open in front of you, here we will just long press on the prompt. After long pressing, you will see a button that will appear. The first one is paste, and the second one is out of it. We'll click on paste. After clicking on paste, a small format will appear from the bottom of your mobile screen, and 2 options are here. The first one is send, and the second one is cancel. Now, I am clicking on send. After clicking send, your photo, or it means sticker, will be transferred to your focal person. You can see this sticker. This is a sticker. If you long press on that sticker, you can see a small format. If you select star button, after selecting, you can see in the prompt solely on prompt. And then click on the Edward. And after clicking one badminton, you can see right here your sticker is already added in recent. And if you scroll down right at more, you will see your sticker is also added to your favorites. That was the way to add a sticker to WhatsApp.